Order fulfillment in a modern warehouse is littered with challenges, such as high product demand, supply challenges, labor shortage, and technology constraints. Meeting the customer expectations of same-day and even same-hour fulfillment can seem almost impossible. Independent systems and ERPs aren't often designed to accomplish one seamless workflow. The engineers at MMCI use our ClearPath methodology to analyze your business and your specific needs and challenges. We then implement the DCX software suite to meet your needs. More than a warehouse management system, DCX's warehouse execution modules provide intelligent solutions for real-time management, intelligent order release, workload balancing, and more. DCX is the brain that enables you control over the entire process. DCX inventory syncs with ERP systems to streamline order receiving, slotting, zoning, and replenishment. DCX Order Manager balances workloads, improves pick rates, and reduces cycle times. DCX Sort Control routes containers through your conveyor system based upon business rules or order allocation. DCX Pick streamlines the order picking process by applying intelligent picking methods with automated systems. DCX Pack ensures containers are selected, checked, and packed in an efficient and effective manner. DCX Cubing utilizes a deep set of algorithms based on real-world experiences and proven results that are sure to lower costs and improve productivity in your operation. The modular nature of DCX allows us to install what you need today with the ability to add what you may need tomorrow. And by integrating with your existing ERP, DCX can bring your automation system to life by offering you the insight, control, flexibility, and responsiveness to achieve optimal performance. When installed by MMCI, DCX software suite support is above and beyond most software and maintenance agreements. Our teams provide complete lifecycle support and continually improve your process with best-in-class solutions in a wide range of areas. Contact us to learn how DCX software by MMCI can create a clear path to order picking and fulfillment for your organization today.